I guess you could call this one good news. Zillow reports that the median home price in 197 cities now tops $1 million. Find that very hard to believe. Whether it's good news or not, I don't know. Here's some definite good news. Credit scores hitting an all-time high. The average, 704. I want to bring in market watcher Michelle McKinnon. She's with Payne Capital Management. Good morning, Michelle.
Good morning.
Positive news on money, toxic politics. I guess I got the feeling that despite it all, the market wants to go up.
Yes. And why does the market want to go up? Because of fundamentals, right? We've had record-breaking corporate earnings this season. We have consumer confidence at all-time highs. We have small business optimism at all-time highs. That's big because small businesses make up 55% of all new jobs in the United States. So I think all this is positive news, and politics is politics, and we will always have uncertainty. And so I encourage investors to just sidestep the news and invest based on the fundamentals, and things look really good.
Okay. Next one for you is the Amazon story, and I think this is a big one. They filed for a trademark for, it's quote, "for keeps by Amazon." Now, the trademark filing says this is going to be used for online jewelry sales.
Yes.
So I guess every other jeweler on the planet now has to watch out.
Yeah, we're all waking up, scrambling that is Tiffany going to get a big short this morning, and everyone's going to panic out of Tiffany. But, I want to remind investors that Amazon doesn't always succeed in these new ventures. Take the Fire Phone, right? That was an absolute devastation. So before we all start running for the hills on Tiffany and other jewelers, take a sidestep, and Amazon might not be successful here.
That would be unusual, though, wouldn't it?
It would be, but, again, we can't race to conclusions.
Okay. One last one. Will the market be higher by the end of the year from where it is now? And that's the Dow Industrials.
If I could tell the future, maybe I wouldn't be sitting here. But I think so. I think fundamentals look really good. I think trade is just a headline.
That's what you're paid to do.
It is what I'm paid to do, but I really do think so. And I think get your buys in now. If we get any kind of sell-off because of the midterms, it's a buying opportunity.
Got it. Michelle McKinnon, thank you very much indeed.